Welcome to the New Zealand Driving Theory Test. Question 1. What vehicle lights should you turn on when driving at night? A. Position lights. Park lights. Only. B. Dipped headlights. Low beam. C. High beam lights. D. Fog lights. The correct answer is B. Question 2. What is the maximum speed you can ride when towing a trailer that is more than half the weight of your motorcycle, including its load? A. 40 km per hour. B. 45 km per hour. C. 65 km per hour. D. 100 km per hour. The correct answer is A. Question 3. What position should your motorcycle be in when in an emergency braking situation? A. Turn hard to the right or left to keep away from danger. B. Upright. The correct answer is B. Question 4. Are you permitted to pass on a solid yellow line? A. No. B. Yes. C. If you can make the pass without crossing the yellow line and can see 100 meters in front of you for the whole time you are passing, then you can pass. The correct answer is C. Question 5. Which vehicle must give way? A. Red motorcycle. B. Blue car. The correct answer is A. Question 6. Another vehicle is moving to its right. When can you pass? Check all that apply. A. You can see at least 100 meters ahead of you when you start passing. B. For 3 seconds you have signaled, right? C. As long as you're passing the other vehicle, then it is okay to go over the speed limit. D. You can see at least 100 meters ahead of you when you've finished passing. The correct answer is B. D. Question 7. Within how many hours of a crash does the driver need to tell a police officer if somebody is hurt? A. Within 24 hours. B. Within 2 days. C. Within 36 hours. D. Just make sure the injured people are okay, no need to report it to police. The correct answer is A. Question 8. When driving, are you required to carry your license at all times if you are the holder of any class of driver license? A. No. B. Yes. C. Only if you're on a suspended license. The correct answer is B. Question 9. What does this sign mean? A. Traffic merging ahead. B. Road work ahead. C. Two-way traffic ahead. D. One-lane traffic ahead. The correct answer is C. Question 10. What is the first action you should take if you are a driver involved in a crash? A. Call the police. B. Check there are no injuries. C. Call for an ambulance. D. Leave the scene and go tell someone. E. Call an emergency contact. The correct answer is B. Question 11. The 4-second rule should be applied when A. If the road is wet or frosty, or you are towing a trailer. B. If your back brakes are worn out. C. If you're driving faster than 90 kilometers per hour. D. Nighttime driving. Question 12. What does this sign mean? A. Reverse back to the last exit by pulling into the hard shoulder. B. Turn around and go back the way you came. C. Turn round at the next side road. D. This lane must proceed straight ahead. E. Be aware of potential obstacles. The correct answer is D. Question 13. What should you do in any kind of skid? A. If it's safe, jump off the bike to increase your chance of surviving impact. B. Stand up on the footrests. C. Stop faster by braking harder. D. Keep both feet on the footrests. The correct answer is D. Question 14. Check all of the motorbike helmet standards that are acceptable in New Zealand. A. UN ECE Regulation Number 22. B. Australian Standard AS 1698. C. New Zealand Standard NZS 5430. D. British Standard BS 6658. E. Japan Industrial Standard T8133. The correct answer is A, B, C, D, E. Question 15. What is the maximum penalty for a first offense if you refuse to give blood for the purposes of an evidential blood alcohol test? A. 3 months in prison. $4,500 fine. Disqualified for 6 months or more. B. $1,500 fine. Disqualified for 6 months. C. Disqualified for 6 months. D. If you're a first-time offender, then there is no punishment. The correct answer is A. Question 16. Are you permitted to stop at a bus stop in a private vehicle? A. Yes, if that vehicle has 4 or more passengers. B. Yes, it's outside of normal working hours. C. No, only buses can stop here. D. Only if it's a commercial vehicle. E. Yes, when dropping off or picking up passengers. The correct answer is C. Question 17. Can you overtake a vehicle driving straight ahead by using a right turn bay? A. Yes. B. No. C. Only if there is no traffic coming. The correct answer is B. Question 18. Does the driver of the blue car have to give way? A. Yes. B. No. The correct answer is A. Question 19. When riding on slippery surfaces, what should you do? Check all that apply. A. Brake hard. B. Use the front brake first. C. Ride slower. D. So your tire is in contact with the road. Lean the bike over. E. Stay in a high gear. The correct answer is B. C. Question 20. What does this sign mean? A. Pedestrian crossing ahead. B. Keep watch for children. C. Swimming classes are nearby. The correct answer is B. Question 21. What does this sign mean? A. Buses are not permitted to park here. B. Buses are permitted to stop here. C. Buses and taxis are permitted to park here. The correct answer is B. Question 22. Where is the best place on the road to position your motorcycle whilst riding if you're following a vehicle? A. Behind the right-hand wheels of the vehicle in front. B. As close to the left as you can. C. As close to the right as you can. D. In the middle of the road. The correct answer is A. Question 23. What should your speed be when passing a bus that has stopped to let children on or off and is showing a school sign? A. 20 kilometers per hour. B. 50 kilometers per hour. C. 70 kilometers per hour. D. 100 kilometers per hour. The correct answer is A. Question 24. With a car license, can you drive a moped? A. Yes. B. No. The correct answer is A. Question 25. What does this sign mean? A. In 35 meters there is a fire hydrant. B. A corner in 35 meters. C. The recommended speed for this corner is 35 kilometers per hour. The correct answer is C. Question 26. A learner motorcyclist is on an open road. What is the maximum speed? A. 50 kilometers per hour. B. 60 kilometers per hour. C. 80 kilometers per hour. D. 100 kilometers per hour. The correct answer is D. Question 27. When may you turn right on a red light? A. If there's a green arrow to the right or straight ahead with no red arrow. B. If there is a red arrow point straight ahead. C. Any time as long as there is no other traffic around. The correct answer is A. Question 28. When driving past a cyclist, what is the recommended distance you should allow? A. 1 meter. B. 5 meters. C. 2 meters. D. 5 meters. The correct answer is B. Question 29. Can you stop or park your vehicle anytime at a broken yellow line painted close to the edge of the road? True or false? A. True. B. False. The correct answer is B. Question 30. Should you stop when coming up to a stop sign? And if so, where should you stop? A. Behind the marked line. B. Where you can see traffic coming in both directions. C. If you can see that nothing is coming, then you don't need to stop. D. On the yellow line with the front wheels of your vehicle. The correct answer is B. Question 31. An oncoming heavy vehicle has what effect? A. Nothing compared to a car. The frontal area of a bike is small. B. Initially the wind will push you back, then suck you towards the vehicle. C. Initially the wind will suck you towards the vehicle, then push you back. The correct answer is B. Question 32. What does T2 mean on a transit lane sign? A. After 2 p.m., this lane is open to any vehicle. B. Only vehicles with 2 passengers can